Hello, kamusta kayong lahat mga kapatid? So, ang reading po natin ngayon is ang iyong psychic ability. Oras na para malaman kung ano ba ang iyong psychic ability, kung meron ka bang psychic ability. But guys, lahat po tayo ay may mga psychic ability. Iba-iba yung mga psychic ability natin. Lalong-lalo na kung ikaw ay concerned kung ano ba yung psychic ability mo or kung gusto mong malaman tong psychic ability mo, then this is the right time para mapanood itong reading na ito. So, meron tayong two piles. We have pile number 1 and pile number 2. Okay? So again, as a reminder, bago nyo piliin ang inyong pile, please pause the video. Pause nyo muna yung video ninyo bago kayo pumili. And then, tanungin nyo inyong intuition kung alin ang pile para sa inyo. And then, pagkabukas na inyong mga mata, you can feel the drone, yung madodrone ka, yung vibration, yung energy ng pile na tinatawag yung ang iyong pansin. So you guys should follow your intuition kung aling pile ang para sa inyo dito. And this is also a test. Test na rin ito para sa inyo, sa inyong intuition, as your psychic ability, no, na you are following your intuition. Kasi the more na sinusunod niyo ang inyong kutob, ang inyong intuition, then the more na naging malakas ang inyong psychic ability. Ang inyong pagiging psychic, no? So again, as a reminder, this is a collective reading. Pick a card reading. Kunin nyo lang po kung saan ka nakaka-resonate. Wag lang po tayong bitter if ever na may mabagit ako dito na hindi nyo magugustuhan. Hindi po ito sa isang tao lang, para po ito sa lahat. Okay? So happy-happy lang tayo. Love, love, love lang dito sa ating The Star Talking Tarot. So maraming salamat po sa panood nyo dito sa ating reading. And sa mga subscriber dyan, maraming salamat po na lagi kayong tumatangkilik dito sa aking YouTube channel. Na-appreciate ko po kayong lahat dito mga kapatid. So, sana nakapili na kayong lahat dito. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Or a second pala. Hello, pile number 1. Kamusta kayo? Sana kayong lahat ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. I know you guys can't wait. And marami dito parang nadodrone sa ating pile number 1. Para ditong nakukuha ko yung energy na I'm always right. You know, we say, your intuition is telling you or sinasabihan ka ng intuition mo na, oh, ito ang piliin mo, ito ang gawin mo. Kasi kung hindi mo sinusunod yung intuition mo, nakakamali ka, parang nakakaroon ka ng doubt, no, sa sarili. Okay? So, or like I said, sometimes nawawalan ka ng gana, no, na anong dapat mong gawin kasi baka magkakamali ka. Like again guys, pakinggan mo ang iyong intuition, ang iyong mga kaba. Because your intuition is always right. Okay? Laging tama. So, dapat talaga, like I said, you guys have this very psychic ability. Nakuha ko dito, napaka-psychic mo, healer, siguro you are doing witchy, you know, doing some witchcraft or divination. Yes, you guys are healer. And especially sa words mo, you are telling the truth, you speak the truth. Lagi mong sinasabi or you are good at giving advice. Siguro you are a tarot reader, you do some Reiki, a healer, like again, nasabi ko na kanina. Kaya marami sa inyo dito, lalong-lalong na ikaw ay psychic. Your psychic ability is really strong. Mas lalong na malakas ang iyong psychic, papalakas or lalong lumalakas ang iyong psychic ability, mga kapatid, pile number 1. Yeah. So this is like a Queen of Swords or King of Swords. Again, wala tayong gender dito ha. So, mapababae o lalaki, kunin nyo lang kung saan ka nakakasunod dito. Yeah. So we have here Guardian. Something lovely will grow from this. Yeah. So your psychic ability is growing. Yes, you guys are growing. Ang dami mong natutunan sa mga experience mo ngayon or lately, no? So lately siguro may mga na-experience ka na you finally, you know, sa wakas na-realize mo na kaya pala nangyari ito is because kaya ito ganyan. You have been through a lot. Marami ka na na-experience mga kapatid. It's because of this, sa lahat ng mga experience mo, you are finally getting the meaning. Finally nakukuha mo yung ibig sabihin. Naintindihan mo kung bakit ito nangyari. Okay? And I'm also getting like, because you have this psychic ability, you are being tested. Yeah, your psychic ability, yung pagiging psychic mo, mas nagiging lumalakas is because from all the trials, sa lahat-lahat ng mga trials, mga pagsubok, ito ay mga test ni universe para sa'yo. Okay? So the more naman natutunan ka, or may dapat ka talagang matututunan dito as a psychic, and you should learn from it. You should finally achieve this goal. Itong mga, kasi karamihan sa inyo dito, napaka-goal getter mo dito, pile number 1. Lagi kang tama, matalino, very intuitive. Pagka may mga tao na hindi mo nagustuhan, wow, ang lakas talaga ng energy. Alam mo mga kapatid, pile number 1, mas tuloy-tuloy itong nakukuha kong energy sa inyo. Yeah. So, again, actually, nag-reading na po ako last week pa lang. Kaya lang, I'm getting the energy of I should redo it. Kailangan mag-record ulit ako ng panibagong reading is because maybe something changed. Kasi ang energy ng mga tao dito or natin is it's changing every day. So, kaya nga, pasensya na mga kapatid kasi meron naman ako dito nagre-request. I'm sure na wag ka sanang madismaya no, kung matagal itong reading na ito. But then again, I'm following my intuition. And yes, I'm sure na this time, nakukuha ko yung energy ninyo. And it's meant for you. Okay? Or it's meant to do this reading at the right time. This is the right time na makuha itong or magawa itong reading na ito about your psychic ability. Because I know na you deserve this. Yeah, kailangan mo itong marinig, kailangan mo itong malaman. Okay? And meron ditong during this reading, pile number 1, you will be hearing the truth. You are finally getting the answer. Yeah. Maybe lately you have been seeking. Okay? Siguro maraming kang gustong matutunan, gustong malaman. And during this reading, may dapat kang matutunan. May dapat kang malaman. You guys are very caring, matulungin, maawain. And then again, you can get the vibe. Nakukuha mo yung vibe ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Lalong-lalo na kung ang tao ay ayaw sa'yo, alam mo, nararamdaman mo na ang taong ito ayaw sa'yo. Or it's not just like again, siguro negativity, nakukuha mo yung mga negative vibe ng mga tao. Kaya nga minsan, you'd rather na it's better for you, okay, na stay away from these people or stay away or magpakalayo ka or maglagay ka ng distance, no? Or wag mo na lang kausapin itong tao na yung nararamdaman mo hindi ka komportable. Because you can sense it. Nakakaramdam ka. You guys are very, I'm getting like high priestess. Yeah. You are very powerful high priestess. You are a very powerful high priestess. You can affirm this, guys. Pwede mo itong i-affirm, mga kapatid. Pile number 1, I am a powerful high priestess. I only speak the truth. I am very psychic. I am open to everyone. Wow. This is like a channeled message here for you, pile number 1. So again, guys, pakilakasan na lang po ng volume kung hindi masyadong malakas. Or might as well, I do advise na, I think it's good na mapanood nyo itong reading na ito during at night time kasi hindi na masyadong maingay, di ba, sa paligid or tulog na lahat. Or siguro you should just watch it sa lugar na wala masyadong matao or hindi maingay para mas narinig nyo pa or maintindihan nyo ng maigi itong reading na ito. Okay? Because I know you guys are eager. Okay? Excited kayo na mapanood ito because you want to know the purpose or yung psychic ability. Excited, yeah, marami ditong excited na malaman, no, na, or can't wait to watch this reading about your psychic ability. You want to know the truth. Okay? So, what else pa? So, again, guys, this is your current energy. Kung hindi ka nakaka-receive sa energy na ito, meaning hindi itong pile para sa inyo. You should choose different pile number 2. Okay? If ever, as a warning, kung hindi nyo man maintindihan yung buong video, 1 or 2, then maybe this whole video is not meant for you na mapanood ito. Okay? And this is timeless. Whenever you watch this reading, maybe this is meant for you na mapanood ito. Even if this reading 1 year later, napanood nyo ito, then this is the right time for you na mapanood ito. You are being pulled, okay? Or your spirit team is like, kailangan mapanood mo ito, or parang may agaw pansin, or something like that, no? So, follow intuition, guys. File number 1. So, we have here, Titania. What is this? Wow. You guys are changing. Wow. Nakakaramdam ako ng goosebump, no? Yung balahibo ko nagsisitayuan because you guys are changing. You guys are, like again, you are a high priestess, a powerful high priestess. Ang iyong psychic ability, you guys are very getting more powerful, beautiful, especially sa looks nyo. Your skin, your color, your psychic color, energy, ang iyong aura. Yeah, I'm getting like purple and orange. Okay, you know what? Before that, let's get your color, kunin natin ng iyong energy, yung aura. Okay? May nagawa kasi ako kanina, so maybe magsisink in ito sa reading natin. Yeah. Okay, hold on lang mga kapatid ha. Okay, pili tayo ng dalawa, no? Dalawa lamang mga kapatid. File number 1's aura, spirit angels. Ano ang kanilang current aura? What are you? We have here yellow. Wow, happiness. You guys are very happy. You love, mahilig ka sa mga plants, flowers. Yes, sa mga butterfly. Okay. Okay. You guys are very confident. Yeah, you guys are changing. Ang iyong looks, ang iyong pananamit. Yeah. Mas nagiging attractive kayo lately. We have here blue. Okay. You know what? I'm getting like one more. Isa pa. Ano pa? Ano pa yung color ng aura ng ating current viewers ngayon? Or current nilang energy, spirit angels? And white. Okay, white. Purity. Okay. Alright, so since we are talking about Titania, okay. So again, you guys are changing. Malaki ang pagbabago ninyo. So, guys, isipin nyo yung mga nakaraan, okay, kung paano kayo noon. Yung personality ninyo, ang pananaw niyo sa buhay, from yung noon pa lang hanggang ngayon, yung ganong ano, okay? So, compare, may ano dito ha, pagkukumpara, no? And now, mas nagiging matured kayo. You only speak the truth, mas sinasabi niyo yung totoo. Yeah, you are a seeker. You want to like what's best for you. Okay? You are beautiful inside and out. Especially sa pananamit ninyo physically, you are changing. Like I said, kung meron kayong mga larawan na from your younger time and this present, ang laki ng pagbabago. Wow, tingnan niyo mga kapatid, oh. Alam mo itong file number 1, napaka malakas ang energy. Okay? You guys are attracting, okay? Maraming mga tao ang na-attract sa inyo. Yeah, sa ganda, sa galing, at sa inyong pagiging psychic healer or tarot reader, or sa inyong something about your psychic ability, you are attracting people. Maraming mga tao sa paligid ninyo ang mas na-attract. Yeah, you are changing. You're like a flower, nagbo-bloom. Okay? Tingnan nyo yung third eye chakra. You guys, see, meron itong maliit at merong malaki. Yeah, it's growing. You guys are growing. Your knowledge, mas nag-grow ang inyong hearing, like kapangyarihan. Your intuition, mas nag-i-evolve kayo, mga kapatid, file number 1. Ang laki ng pagbabago ninyo lately. Okay? As a reminder, or okay, as a test, no? Pakitest na lang sarili ninyo from noon and in this present, this time. Ang laki ng pagbabago ninyo, or ang laki ng pinagbago ninyo ng inyong buhay, ng inyong looks. You are attracting a lot of people. Mas marami nag-a-attract sa inyo. Because you are a healer. I'm getting like, I'm hearing like, hindi naman ako maganda, hindi naman ako gwapo, hindi naman ako sexy, hindi naman ako matalino. Guys, it's not just all of that. Hindi lang po iyan. Na-attract ang mga tao sa inyo dahil it's because your vibration, ang iyong energy, mas lumalakas. Nasa-sense ng mga tao, napapatingin sila sa inyo because you guys are very psychic, your psychic ability. You are becoming more powerful. Mas nagiging malakas ang inyong kapangyarihan, healing. You could be doing tarot reader. Okay? Or a doctor. Something about, you guys are healing people. Yeah. Meron dito yung, you can see a lot of vision, or lately may nakukuha ka mga vision, or something about na your touch heal people, okay? It's something about your touch. You know what? Let's get this, something about, like, okay, connect, okay. So, white aura, or aura, connected with 7 chakra, soul star chakra, okay? Okay, okay, wow. So, white aura is, mas malakas pa ito kaysa sa purple. Kasi the purple is like a third eye chakra. No? So, white aura is stronger. So, again, nasabi ko na kanina, di ba? Mas lumalakas ang inyong energy. That's why people, kaya itong mga tao sa paligid ninyo, napapatingin sila sa inyo. Mas nagiging, it's like confident. Wow. This is a good combination because yellow is also about confident. Mas nagbo-boost ang iyong confident. Whatever you do, you feeling the confident, mas tumataas o nagbo-boost ang iyong confident. Yeah, mas happy, masayahin ka lately, or mas nagiging masaya ka pa. Something about changes, like lately hindi ka masyadong palatawa, pero or before hindi ka masyadong palangiti or palatawa, but again, you are changing. You are being I'm hearing like expressive. Nakikita ng mga tao ang iyong saya, or like nakikita ng mga tao, or pag nakikita nila na nakangiti ka, mas nalalos lang na-attract sa'yo. Okay? Yeah. Okay. What else? A blue. The 5th chakra, throat chakra, powerful words. So, yeah, ang iyong words, okay? You guys have these words of wisdom. Okay? Ikaw itong, like again, nasabi ko rin kanina, you speak the truth. Kaya ang mga tao sa paligid mo, especially you might be a teacher or an advisor, or mahilig ka nagbibigay ng advice, or magaling ka talagang you are a good leader, pile number 1. Most likely siguro sa school, sa trabaho, manager, or you own a business, or something about like your throat chakra, whatever you say, kung ano yung mga sinasabi mo or mga binabanggit mo or advice, people taking it, kinukuha nila yung advice mo because you are a good advisor. Because they know that you speak the truth. Prank ka. Okay? Very expressive. You are effective boss, effective advisor. Okay? Because your 5th chakra, your throat chakra is open. Wow. So, blue, yeah, we have this kind of like a blue. May pagka-bluish ito. Yeah, yellow, blue, and white. Okay? So, we have here yellow aura, center of the belly. Okay? Self-love, confidence. Again, nasabi ko na kanina, mas nagbo-boost pang iyong confident. Focus ka sa sarili mo. You are more on loving yourself, pile number 1. Wow. Okay, mas I like gusto ko itong pile na ito kasi mas lalo nagsisink in ang reading. Okay, ang mga messages dito sa ating pile number 1 nagsisink in, at for sure makarami sa inyo dito ay nakaka-resonate sa reading na ito, pile number 1. So, let's find out more about so again, pile number 1, open ang iyong throat chakra. And I'm hearing like also your third eye chakra. Yeah, you guys are like a tarot reader, psychic reader, or you can sense, or I'm also getting like vision. May mga vision dito. You know what? Before that, let's get another more. Hold on. Your psychic ability. Okay. Hold on. Alright, Spirit Guardians, tell us more about psychic ability. Anong psychic ability ng ating pile number 1? Psychic ability ng ating pile number 1. Okay. Kuha lang tayo. Isa-isahin. Walang gusto nyo mabasa. Telepathy. Wow, yes. You guys can do telepathy. Okay, direct transference or of thoughts from one person again, nakakasense kayo kung ano ang iniisip ng tao sa paligid mo, or we'll say, may kausap ka ngayon, nasisense mo siya, nababasa mo yung anong sinasabi niya sa sarili niyo, or it's like, through mindset, basang-basa mo siya. It's like a telepathy, nakukuha mo yung, we'll say, kung negative vibe or happy vibe, nakuhang-kuha mo yung energy ng mga taong nakasalumuha mo o yung mga tao sa paligid mo. Okay? You can get people's mind, it's like a mind reader. No? What else? Ano pa ang psychic ability ng ating pile number 1, Spirit Guide Angels? So we have here mediumship. So mediumship is like a psychic reader, like tarot reader, crystal ball reader, or something about channeling, okay? Channeling a message from spirit world or from the universe. You can get a message from the universe, okay? Through tarot cards or palm reader, something like that. Again, guys, are para mas maintindihan nyo pa yung ibig sabihin ng telepathy and mediumship, please do paki-google nyo na lang o research nyo na lang, no? Para mas makuha nyo pa yung mga ibig sabihin. Kasi konti lang ang nakalagay dito or nakasulat, or sinulat ko dito sa papel, no? Wala na akong oras para isulat pa lahat. Yeah, so, again, you guys can, ang iyong psychic ability, you can communicate with people or with the spirit. Okay, with a spirit or divination or a soul. What else? Okay, or something like malakas talaga dito yung tarot reader. Okay, pile number 1. You can communicate with the spirits. You can do you can read mind through telepathy, or nababasa mo yung mga galawan ng mga tao sa paligid mo, or what they said, kung ano sinasabi nila or sinasarili nila, o say, ayaw nila sa'yo, kaya lang hindi nila, or yung mga tao sa paligid mo, o say, friends, or kaklase, katrabaho, sabihin natin na, pinapakita nilang gustong-gusto kanila, but deep down, ayaw pala nila sa'yo. But then again, hindi nila na may tago ang nararamdaman nila sa'yo, kasi kuhang-kuhang muna, or basang-basa muna. That's like a gut feeling, or talaga yung intuition mo, it's really like active, strong. Like again, the more na sinusunod mo ang iyong kutob, ang iyong kaba, ang iyong intuition, the more na you are connected. Okay? Mas naging malakas pang iyong psychic ability or psychic power. And you are speaking the truth. Mas nagiging prangka ka. Mas nagiging distance ka sa mga taong ayaw sa'yo. Mas naging distance ka, like I say, may mga warnings. Nakakaramdam ka ng mga warnings. Nararamdaman mo ito because of your psychic power. Guys, follow your intuition. Okay? Always follow your intuition. This is not the right time na, magdadalawang isip ka. Because you know what's the truth. Alam mo kung anong tama, kung ano ang, sino ang nagsabi ng totoo. And again, you guys are, you have this high vibration. Mas nag-attract ang mga tao sa inyo. Yung confident mo, nag-boost pa. Malaki ang pagbabago mo dito. From then and now. Okay? One more. Ano pa ang psychic power ng ating pile number 1, Spirit Guide Angels? Channeling. Again, nasabi ko na kanina. You can channel message from the other world. Okay? We'll say, like, most likely sa tarot reader, di ba? Or yung mga nagpapahula, whatever na mga kagamitan na ginagamit nila sa paghuhula, no? You can channel message or connect the message from angels, divinations, gods, or a soul, spirit. You can get the message from them to deliver. Okay? Para may deliver ito, makatulong sa kapwa. That is your psychic ability, your psychic power, mga kapatid, pile number 1. Okay? You embrace it. Kasi the more na ini-embrace mo itong, or tinatanggap mo, okay? Tanggap, or, kailangan talaga tanggapin mo itong psychic power mo, because these are, you guys are very gifted. Pile number 1. The more na in-embrace mo ito or tinatanggap mo ito, the more na mas lumalakas pa and you are changing. Mas nagiging lumalakas ang iyong psychic power. People listen to you, nakikinig sila, they are following what you are saying, your advice, sinusunod nila yung mga advice mo because you know what you are doing. Alam mo kung anong tama at alam mo kung anong ginagawa mo. And that's good. You guys learned a lot. Ang dami mong natutunan. What else? Psychic downloads. See, you guys are getting psychic downloads. Spiritual gifts that allows access of high information, guidance, light, energy, codes to enhance spiritual wisdom. So you guys follow your intuition, psychic downloads. Again, your third eye chakra is opening, it's getting bigger. Mas lumalaki ang iyong third eye chakra from then and now. Okay? You guys are getting like a, psychic download is like somehow, parang nagkakaroon ka ng idea. Bakit ko ba nasabi ito? Bakit ko ba nagawa ito? It's because you guys are getting a message. Okay? A guidance. Yeah. Okay, spirit guides. See, you have an innate connection with your spirit guide, which are here to help your soul attain its greatest potential on earth. So yes, you guys are being guided as always, no? So you always, of course, as a tarot reader, psychic reader, or manghuhula, we all have spirit guides to guide us, to give answer para mabigyan tayo ng sagot na mga dapat na yung mga katanungan natin, no? Lalong-lalo na kung may mga nagpapahula sa atin, our spirit teams is helping, to connect with other beings para as a mediumship, no? Yung pag-channel. Yeah, so our spirit team is helping us. They are happy to assist us. Okay? Natutuwa sila na mag-reach out ka sa mga spirit team mo. Okay? To connect with them, channeled message. Wow. Intuition, see, wow. Intuitive individuals are capable of understanding new information without having to go through logic reasoning. Yeah, so you always follow your intuition, especially with the heart. Follow your heart, follow your intuition. Because you guys have a big heart. I'm getting like, mas lumalaki ito yung puso ninyo, yung heart chakra ninyo is also like opening, getting bigger and bigger, mas lumalaki, mas lumalakas. It's like you guys are getting more connection, mas nagiging konektado kayo sa iyong psychic ability. Kasi the more na kinoconnect ninyo ang iyong psychic ability, mas nagiging malakas ang iyong psychic power. Wow. Yeah. Embrace it, love it, mahalin mo ang binibigay o biniyaya ng universe para sa iyo. Okay, prophetic dreams. So guys, follow your intuition, especially sa iyong mga panaginip. You guys are getting psychic downloads through dreams as well. Sa panaginip, nakakuha kayo ng mga meaning, mga messages, mga mensahe from your spirit guide, spirit team, or from other beings, different other dimension. Okay, receive dream which seem to be clear prophecies of subsequent event. Okay, basahin nyo na lang, no? Medyo nahirapan akong ma-pronounce ito. Okay? Pause nyo na lang, basahin nyo, kayo na lang ang bumasa na ito. Okay, so you guys are very psychic. Pile number 1, very psychic, intuitive, prophetic dreams. Meron ditong, sa panaginip pa lang, it will happen. So guys, especially if you are dreaming something weird, yung mga weird na panaginip, pay attention, kung pwede, isulat ninyo ito kasi meron ditong prophetic, mangyayari. Okay? Or sabihin natin, mangyayari pa lang. So pay attention, isulat nyo itong mga panaginip ninyo. Lagyan nyo ng petsa, kailan ito, and then isulat ninyo, and then soon, at least you guys are getting like, we say, mga warnings. Pay attention sa mga warnings, especially sa panaginip ninyo. Because ito ay mangyayari. It will happen. It's happening. Okay? So, advice na tayo. You know what? We have here yes or no. Okay. Pause nyo muna yung video and the answer will be yes or no. Okay. Pile number 1, yes or no for pile number 1. Okay, no, obsession. Something about you guys are obsessed. Number 15. Wow, 15 in 15. Siguro meron tayong mga teenager na nanood dito sa pile number 1. Obsession or something connection or yeah, guys, especially as a psychic, I'm getting a message here for you, pile number 1. Pakiiwasan nyo na lang po ang gumawa ng mga dark magic. Okay? Meron tayong warnings dito. Yeah. Because we have here, because we work with the universe, not with the evil. Kasi, as a psychic, no? Or, syempre, meron tayong mga psychic power, no? I'm getting like, the more na naging obsessed ka, will say, okay, I'm connected, I can do this, I can do that, something like that. The more na nag-obsess ka, you should be able to control. Kailangan talaga makontrol mo ang iyong psychic power. Do not let the evil, the darkness to get you. Huwag niyong hayaan ang mga dark magic na makonsume ka, na makuha ka. Because later on, baka hindi mo ma-realize, ang na-attract mo is instead of mga divination, gods, the spirit team, light healer, you know what I mean? Baka later on, na-attract mo is yung mga evil na. So, it has to be balanced. Kailangan talaga maging balanse ka when it comes to use, okay, sa paggamit ng iyong psychic power. So, mag-ingat-ingat tayo, mga psychic reader dito, mga psychic, okay, yes, mga kaparehas ko dyan. Okay? Be careful when you use your psychic power. Kasi I'm sure na mas lalo kang lumalakas, maraming mga viewers, maraming mga tumatangkilik sa'yo, yeah, they are relying on you. Okay? Mas nagiging sikat ka, kilala ka ng mga tao because of your psychic ability. You need to be balanced. Okay? Always pray para mas maging guide, okay? Mas mabigyan tayo ng guidance ng ating mga spirit team as a light healer, not a dark healer or mga dark okay? I mean, as a psychic, I'm not trying to, wala naman akong sinasabing hindi maganda sa mga, or pinupuntir yung hindi maganda sa mga psychic natin, mga kapatid, ano? Lalong-lalo na, well, again, iba-iba tayo. I'm just giving warning, no? Na as a psychic, wag nating, anong tawag? Kasi kailangan nating mabalanse ang ating mindset. Do not let the darkness, wag niyong hayaan yung mga darkness or yung mga voodoo, something about voodoo. I'm hearing like voodoo, no? Na, you know what I mean sa mga voodoo. Okay, yung mga barang or something about the mga darkness. Guys, please do not do that thing because we are getting this energy of mas lalong lumalakas ang iyong psychic ability and also the evil. The evil is also like parang imbis na sinasamba mo ang Panginoon, mas sinasamba mo ang itong evil, itong darkness. So be aware, mag-ingat kayo. Kailangan talaga may gumagamit kayo ng mga rosary. This is just a reminder how, or kunin nyo lang guys kung gusto niyo itong advice ko. If you don't like it, then don't take it. Wag lang tayong magalit. Iba-iba yung mga iba-iba yung mga psychic power natin at iba-iba din ng mga tao, mga mindset ng mga tao. Okay, I'm just a messenger here. I'm just channeling the message as a psychic reader here. Okay? So, wag lang tayo magalit and you do what you can do. As a reminder, manalig tayo sa Panginoon, not the evil. Okay? So, final advice ng iyong spirit team. My spirit team, spirit guide angels, what is your final advice for pile number 1? Okay. Perfect timing. So, this is the perfect timing para mapanood itong reading na ito, pile number 1. Wow, butterfly. So, especially, if you have been seeing, kung nakakita ka ng mga butterfly lately, okay, you guys this is the message na dapat mo mapanood ito. Okay? Perfect timing. This is the right time for you to move forward. So, yes, you guys are moving forward. Kaya, that's why you are changing. May pagbabago. You change your mindset. Okay? Because you are following your intuition. Yeah. If you have to cut off the people na hindi mo na kailangan or hindi mo is not serving you right, you know what I mean? Hindi nagbibigay sa'yo ng tama or magandang sitwasyon or whatever it is, ikaw lang nakakaalam, yes, you are moving forward. Mas nagiging matured ka, pile number 1. And you should learn the lesson. Okay? And follow your intuition. Because you are always right, pile number 1. Your intuition is always right. Wag mong bigyan ng pagdududa ang iyong intuition because your intuition is always right. Okay? And you guys are getting the psychic ability, psychic download. Spirit team is always there giving you assistance. No? So again, mag-ingat-ingat lang sa mga dark magic. That's all I can say. Yeah. So hanggang dito lang, pile number 1. Sana nakaresonate kayo. I love you guys at sana nag-enjoy kayo sa reading na ito. Please do leave your comment below sa pile na napili ninyo. And nakakatuwa po na mabasa iyon. At pasensya na kung hindi man po ako nakaka-respond sa mga comments ninyo. But then again, maraming salamat na na-appreciate ko po kayong lahat dito. So I love you guys and I hope to see you guys in my next reading. Bye! Thank you! Hello, pile number 2. Kamusta kayong lahat dito? So pumili ng ating pile number 2. So again, this is timeless mga kapatid, general reading. Kunin nyo lang po kung saan ka nakakaresonate ha. So we have here the clover, release your guilt. So maybe lately, I'm getting like passion. Maybe kung I'm getting like dalawang energy. One is kung hindi niyo na kaya itong nasa looban ninyo, kapatid, o itong nararamdaman ninyo, feel free to open up your feelings. Okay? Feel free na i-share ang iyong nararamdaman to your friend, close friend, nanay, tatay, kapatid, okay, katrabaho, or someone na you can trust with, na pwede mo mapagkakatiwalaan. Okay? So, I'm also getting like, iba naman sa inyo dito, you might be being like, it's more about like love life. You know, there's like something about like, you are on fire, something, either you love talking or lately you have been talking about someone you like or sa mga admirers mo, something about like love life, related sa love life, nag-i-enjoy ka to share your feelings, okay, with your friends or somebody that you are close with, okay, na na malapit sa iyo, you have this freedom to open, okay, or we'll say, ikaw itong tao na you are not afraid to share your thoughts, your emotions, especially when it comes to love life or sa galit. Especially kung ikaw itong galit na galit, sinasabihan mo itong taong ito na, or your anger, no? Or ikaw itong tao na i-voice out mo ang iyong galit, yung nararamdaman sa isang tao na, we'll say, you can confront this person. Pag ikaw ay galit, sinasabi mo agad sa taong ito, galit na galit ako sa'yo, naiinis ako sa'yo. At yung iba naman sa inyo dito, kung hindi mo ma-voice out yung nararamdaman mo sa iba, or no, sa tao na nagagalit ka, you tend to, or you rather na i-voice out itong galit mo, itong feelings mo na hindi maganda sa taong malapit sa'yo. Say, naiinis ako sa boyfriend ko, ito ganyan, nag-aaway kami kanina, ganyan, naiinis ako, or say, sa boss ko, naiinis ako, so, ino-open up mo ito sa nanay mo, sa kapatid mo, or sa best friend mo, or sa katrabaho, something about not close. You have this freedom, or you are the person na you want to release your anger. Okay? That's good. Kasi pangit naman na i-release mo yung galit mo sa tao na hindi trusted. So dapat talaga na kasi pangit din naman talaga na didibdibin mo na lang lahat ng mga emosyon mo, yung mga galit mo, sa sarili mo na lang. Kasi later on, yung iba sa inyo naman dito, dahil sa lagi mong dinidibdib yung nararamdaman mo, tuloy nagbo-burst out ka, bigla kang pumutok. Okay? Yeah, so meron ditong ganyan ng personality, meron naman dito na you love to like express your feelings, yung mga galit, okay, to those people na you can trust with, especially siguro may naiinis ka sa friends mo or somebody, no, very specific. Yeah, you are the person na you can share your feelings or emotions to someone that you can trust with. Kung sino itong pwede mo mapagkakatiwalaan. Okay? Especially guys, you can release your guilt. Itong hindi, okay, itong hindi magandang or nararamdaman, no? Something about na guilt. Feeling guilty ka, feeling na balisa ka, you can release your feelings to someone that you are, that you can trust with. Okay? So, release. Yeah. We have 21, number 2. So, again, guys, this is general reading. Kunin nyo lang po yung energy nyo dito, ha? Huwag lang po tayong bitter. Huwag nyo pong kunin lahat-lahat kasi hindi po to sa isang person lang. Hindi po ito private reading. And we also have here number 17. It's like, whoop. Yeah, I'm getting like, you guys are from payat, tumataba. Or you're like, maybe lately you are gaining weight. Meron naman dito na, you are gaining weight, but you looking beautiful. Or like, mas gumagwapo. Or it's like your aura, your beauty. Maybe you have this like a green and yellow aura. Okay? This is like, I'm getting like, siguro from pile number 1, also choose pile number 2. Okay? So, yeah, you might have this like a orange color hair or red hair. Or maybe you love flowers or you like wearing dress. Siguro mahilig ka sa dress. O kung ikaw naman itong lalaki, siguro mahilig ka sa mga babaeng sumusuot ng mga or ng dress o nakadress, no? Yeah. So, flower, be honest with yourself. So, kailangan talaga maging totoo ka sa sarili mo. Okay? So, lately siguro, you have been feeling the guilt, no? Na hindi ka naging totoo sa nararamdaman mo. So, maybe this is the right time. Siguro, oras na para i-voice out itong feeling mo na hindi ka komportable. Or you can seek a guidance, no, through with your friends sa katrabaho or you're like someone that you can trust with. Kasi best friend na, alam mo, hindi ko alam itong nararamdaman ko, totoo ba, ganito, ganyan. Or kailangan ko ng advice mo, may problema kasi ako, nakagawa ko na hindi maganda, what do you think? Or something like that, no, na yung guilt or something na dapat mo i-voice out. It's okay to open up. Okay? With your somebody that you can rely on or trust with na mapagkakatiwalaan. Yes. So, let's move on. Let's get this spire. So, again, guys, this is pile number 2. Kung hindi po kayo nakaka-resonate sa energy na ito, maybe this is not the pile that you should choose. Maybe, if you are drawn sa pile number 1, panoorin niyo po yung pile number 1. Kung hindi naman po nakaka-resonate sa buong video, pile 1 and pile 2, then maybe this whole video is not meant for you na mapanood ito. Okay, pile number 2. Yeah. So again, you guys enjoy sharing your emotion. Ikaw itong tao na siguro lately, puro love life or mas nagiging active ka pag ang topic is about love life or active ka pag ang topic is about your emotion na naiinis ka, something about your feeling na hindi ka masaya, mas nagiging open ka siguro lately. Kung ikaw naman ito na you'd rather to keep it alone, then again, guys, wag niyo pong hintayin yung time na bigla ka na lang pumutok. So, mind as well kung ano itong nararamdaman mo, itong mga emotion mo, it's best na i-open up mo ito sa mga tao na pwede mo mapagkakatiwalaan. Okay, so we have here the spires. I'm getting like this is like a tower. Yeah. Choose a skill. You gain 2 all checks using that skill. You gain, okay, so maybe lately again, maybe you have been eating something na hindi mo kailangan kainin. Maybe that's what you are worried about, no? Na nag-gain ka ng ilang pounds, yeah, tumataba ka na, nararamdaman mo ito, siguro noon payat ka, ngayon bigla ka nang tumaba, something about from then and now. And again, guys, you don't have to worry about gaining weight kung may mga anak ka. Normal lang po sa mga kababaihan dyan na may mga anak na tumataba o nag-gain weight, normal lang po iyan. Kasi talaga, we are all changing. Ang katawan natin ay magbago. Yung iba nga dyan, di ba, na kahit wala pang anak, lumalaki. Like again, it's not just about you have children, kaya ka lumalaki. Again, guys, Kasi the more na nag-age tayo, nagkakaedad tayo, our body is changing. Lumalaki ang katawan natin. So if you want to keep yourself skinny, sexy, then yeah, you have to again, you know what? I'm getting like you need kahit na ano man ang iyong kurba ng iyong katawan, you don't have to worry about it. You're always beautiful inside and out. As long as wala ka namang inapakang tao. Yeah. You just have to love, embrace yourself. Yeah. Okay? Kasi I'm getting like you are losing your confidence. Guys, even if you are gaining weight, mas gumaganda ka pa. No? Mas naging attractive ka pa. Yung iba dyan sa inyo. So, para sa akin, guys, pile number 2, ang labanan kasi dito, hindi lang sa sa looks. It's about confident. Kasi meron naman dyan sexy, maganda, kaya lang kulang sa confident. Ang labanan talaga is confident. Nasa sayo yan kung paano mo dalhin ang sarili mo. Ay yung pananamit, ang iyong pangangatawan, sa makeup, sa buhok, something like that. Kailangan talaga confident. Kasi the more na naging confident ka, the more na you are raising your high vibration. Na-attract ang mga tao sa iyo. Okay? Yeah. What else? So we have here the stag. Okay? Choose anyone being to designate your quarry. You always know the location and status of your quarry. When you kill it, you immediately gain a level. So, guys, ikaw naman tong tao na if you are feeling lost, no? Like again, seeking advice, feel free to seek advice sa mga tao na pwede mong pagkakatiwalaan. Follow your intuition, follow your gut feeling. Kasi I'm getting like, you might be feeling lost because of these changes, pagbabago. I'm getting like love life or your looks, no? Yeah, if this about like your looks, you are changing. Siguro, yeah, more on focus ka sa looks mo. Worried ka sa looks mo, sa katawan mo, dahil you are gaining this weight, guys. Again, confidence is the key to attract your person. Wow. Okay, so feel free to seek guidance, advice from your close friends, no, or somebody na mas close sa iyo or mapagkakatiwalaan. So remote viewing seeks impression about a distance or unseen subject, purportedly sensing with the mind. So again, guys, you can sense the mindset of people. Or, you know what? For you to be able na to stick with your diet, kailangan talaga mag-stick ka sa iyong mindset. Everything starts sa iyong mindset. Kung nakastick ka sa mindset mo or stick mo lang yung sa isipan mo, you know what I mean? Like, na you're on the diet ka, kailangan kainin mo lang ito, ganito, ganyan. Kasi the more nag-stick ka dyan, mas nagiging, yung respond ng katawan mo, ganun talaga, mag-stick ka talaga sa diet. No? Or sa pagbabago. So again, kailangan talaga may control sa iyong mindset. It's all about your mindset. Yeah, because you are losing your confidence. Guys, it's not because you are gaining weight, you are losing your confidence. Kailangan talaga iset mo, start from your mindset. Mag-start kayo sa mindset ninyo na to raise your high vibration. Always think positive. Kahit na mataba ako, maganda naman. Kahit na hindi ako maputi, maganda pa rin ako. Kahit na kulot ang buhok ko, maganda pa rin ako. Ganun lang, no? Kailangan talaga nag-start sa iyong mindset. Yeah. The sun, the urge to do what feels is right. Power, vitality, self-expression. So again, guys, I'm getting like more on your color, energy color, or your aura. Yung kulay ng iyong aura ngayon is more on yellow. You should raise your vibration, confidence, happiness. Yes, wag kang magkulong. Kasi meron sa inyo dito nagkukulong. Kasi nawawalan ka ng gana. Nawawalan kang ganang lumabas. Nawawalan ka ng gana na makipagsalamuha sa mga close friends mo, sa katrabaho mo, o hindi mo feel ang umalis ng bahay kasi you don't feel good, you don't feel right. Because you are losing confidence again. you have this confidence inside you. Kailangan talaga mag-start ka sa iyong mindset. Indigo. Indigo child. So, indigo is like blue energy. You know what? Before that, let's get your aura muna. Okay? So, kunin na natin itong indigo. Okay? So, yeah, meron tayo dito sa pile number 1. Guys, if you are drawn to pile number 1, panoorin niyo po yung pile number 1. Kasi meron din dito, doon yung indigo, okay, your blue aura. Okay? So, throat chakra. So, you have to speak the truth. Kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, it's time to speak the truth. Okay? You can speak up. Yeah. If there's somebody, kung kailangan mo ng magbigay ng advice sa mga tao sa paligid mo, or if someone is seeking, humihingi ng advice sa iyo, you have to speak the truth. Or siguro lately, your throat chakra is open. Yeah. So, meron dito, kung napapansin niyo mga kapatid, yeah, yung biglang naging prangka ka, no? Kaya hindi mo alam kung ano yung mga sinasabi mo is because your throat chakra is open. So, kailangan talaga na you have to be mindful. Isipin mo, okay? Isipin nyo muna bago kayo or bago nyo i-voice out itong sasabihin ninyo. Kasi baka lately, bigla na lang may nagagalit sa inyo. But then again, as a psychic ability, your throat chakra or fifth chakra is open. Okay? Blue, aura. Okay? Yeah, you guys are very expressive. So this is, you might be very, again, you are expressive. Like again, maybe lately, sinishare mo itong nararamdaman mo sa mga tao na you are very trusted into it. You know, like a friendship, or mother, no, or kapatid, best friend, katrabaho. Yeah, you guys are very expressive. Siguro lately, napaka-expressive ninyo, pile number 2. And then again, minsan parang, oops, ano ba ito pagsasabi ko? Bakit ko parang nasabi ito sa taong ito? Baka nasaktan ko siya, baka na-offend ko siya. But then again, guys, your throat chakra is open. So, be mindful. Isipin nyo muna bago nyo i-voice out itong nararamdaman nyo. Okay? Pile number 2. So, your color, anong tawag ng energy, your, anong tawag nito, your aura is open. Your blue, okay, blue throat chakra is open. Okay, your psychic power. Or spirit guardian, just what else? Ano ang energy ng ating, color energy ng ating pile number 2? Current color energy ng pile number 2. So we have here, white aura. Wow. Pile 1, malakas talagang 1 and 2 here together. Bumabalik lang ito ha. Connected with 7 chakra, soul star chakra. Meron kayong soul star chakra. Okay, mas malakas ang inyong intuition, psychic, very psychic. Yeah. So, the tower, meron kasi ditong there's changes. Siguro yung iba sa inyo dito is like you are slowly. I'm getting like from pile number 1 is very open. Alam nila, very psychic sila. Yung iba naman dito, parang nag-active pa lang. Hindi ka sanay, pile number 2 na ito yung psychic ability mo. Bakit? Parang kasi nakukuha ko dito na, bakit ko ba ito nagawa? It's like, kakastart pa lang ng pagbubukas ng iyong psychic power. Kaya nga siguro, may sinishare ka or sinishare mo yung itong thoughts mo or story sa close friends mo na, say example sa best friend mo. Alam mo, nakakasense ako. Yeah, itong gito ganyan, like, nakakakuha ako ng mga vision, something like that, or sa mga panaginip ko, anong ibig sabihin nito? Because you guys are awakened. This is like a start. You are in a stage of the beginning. Pile number 2. Yeah, you are awakened slowly. Kaya nga siguro, hindi ka makapaniwala. Especially pile number 2, meron naman ditong, while watching this, yeah, it's true. Hindi talaga ako makapaniwala. That's why, kaya pala na nadodrone ako sa pile number 2. Kaya pala ganito nararamdaman ko. Kaya pala ito nakikita ko, nakakuha ko ng mga visions or changes, or siguro your third eye chakra is opening and you can, yung hindi ka makapaniwala. Why I'm feeling this way? Itong emotion ko. Yeah, it's like you are feeling lost. Kaya nga minsan, you are opening, ino-open mo yung experience mo sa ibang tao. Uy, alam mo, itong nararamdaman ko, napaka-weird. Itong panaginip ko, napaka-weird. It's because, again, as a reminder, you are awakening. Your psychic power is awakening. Nagigising ka na. Dahan-dahang nagigising ang iyong psychic power. Okay? So, kaya, these feelings, no? Yeah. Yung hindi ka makapaniwala why you are feeling this way. Because you are slowly awakened. You are finally awakened, pile number 2. Okay? Maybe it's time for you to speak with the psychic. Okay? Psychic medium or psychiatrist if you want to. Yung mga seeking advice. Because you might be dealing these changes. Kasi Towers is also about changes, pagbabago. Kaya ngayon, iba sa inyo parang weird. Parang feeling mo weird ka kasi nga you'd rather stay at home because of this psychic power. You are awakened. Nagigising ka. Yes, you have this angel guides. You are protected, pile number 2. You are surrounded with your angel guides. Siguro you have this, okay, I'm getting like, birds. Birds are watching you. Especially at night. Yeah. If you notice, guys, kung napapansin niyo, medyo dark, no? May darkness dito. So, bilisin na natin, no? So, move on tayo. Ano pa yung psychic power energy ng pile number 2, psychic power? Color, please, psychic energy. Ano pa? Alright, we have here 6 chakra, high intuitive, third eye. Yeah, nasabi ko na kanina, your third eye is open. You guys are highly intuitive. Follow your intuition. Yeah, ang iyong kutob, purple. Okay? Ang iyong aura is purple. Yeah. So, what else, Spirit Guardians? Ano pa ang psychic power ng ating pile number 2? Okay. Dowsing, water witching, use of rods, sticks, or pendulum to locate water or lost objects. So, guys, you can use pendulum, okay, as a psychic, pwede kayong you can locate an object kung may nawawala, kung may nagpapatulong sa inyo na may nawala, gito ganyan, nakakalocate kayo. Nakakasense kayo kung saan mahanap ito. Okay? Like I said dito, choose any one being, kasi meron itong nawawala. You can find it, you can sense it by using this what you call it, this pendulum. You know, pendulum, I think this is like this. Yung mga ganito. Okay? Nalulukit ninyo. So, guys, if you don't know how to use the pendulum or to locate or dowsing, guys, itong dowsing, okay? D-O-W with sing, pwede nyo po i-google para mas malaman ninyo or maintindihan nyo pa yung ibig sabihin ng psychic ability ng dowsing. What else, Spirit Guardians, for pile number 2, please? Psychic ability, animal telepathy. Wow, so we have your animal. And birds, mga ibon. You can sense a message. Pag nakakita kayo ng mga hayop, you can sense, alam mo na may message sila para sa'yo. Siguro, you love animals. You can sense anong yung emosyon ng mga hayop. You can sense ano ang gusto nang sabihin sa'yo. See? Ability to communicate. Various kinds of creatures. Okay? Yeah. Hindi lang sa mga hayop, also I'm getting like any creatures, no? Siguro mga diwende, mga laman lupa, yun ba yung sabi doon? Mga lamang lupa. Okay, mga diwende or something about like that, no? Na you can sense their message or nakakuha kayo ng mga message or communications from them. Yeah. Ano pa? Ano pa mga psychic power ng ating pile number 2, Spirit Guardians? Psychic power, please. Mind over body. Ano to? Power of mind. Okay, it's like a monks, no? Meditating a day without eating, drinks. Oh, wow. So, guys, you can do meditate. Wow, so, para mas mapalakas itong psychic power mo, you have to do meditation. Kailangan talaga meditation para mas konektado ka sa iyong psychic ability. Lalong-lalo na ikaw ay awakening or start pa lang. You just started. pile number 2 sa iyong psychic power to use this. So now you know, kaya siguro drawn ka sa mga hayop na alam mo kung ano ang nararamdaman ng mga or feelings ng mga hayop, baboy, manok, okay, itong mga kambing or birds. You can sense it because you are getting their feelings, the message. Yeah, you can, it's like it's like a telepathy, di ba? Animal telepathy, ang iyong psychic power. Water witching, dowsing, okay? Yeah, you can locate water or lost object, kahit anong mga nawawala, you can locate it. So again, para mas maging malakas itong psychic power mo, pile number 2, kailangan talaga mag-meditate kayo. Alright? Alright, what else, Spirit Guide Angels? Alright, yes or no na tayo, pile number 2. Pause nyo muna yung video and then magtanong kayo ng question sa inyong spirit team. Pause nyo muna. Okay, and then the answer will be yes or no. Ready? Pile number 2, please. Okay, we have 2 here. 2, 2. Wow. Oh, wow. This is hidden. Yes, no. Okay, you guys, all right. So this is like a tawag. Okay, you guys are being called. Okay, pile number 2, you are being called to activate your psychic ability. It's time to use. Oras na para gamitan ng iyong psychic power. You are awakened. See? Judgment. It's time to awaken. Oras na para magising kayo, pile number 2. Ginigising kayo ng angel guides ninyo, spirit team. Kaya siguro itong nararamdaman mo, hindi mo maintindihan why you are feeling this way. Okay? The devil, no. Addiction, depression, mental health. So again, whatever you are dealing with, depression, somehow, this is part of psychic power. Kailangan talaga maging balanse. Again, from pile number 1, pile number 2, kailangan talaga mag-ingat kayo sa psychic power ninyo. Kailangan talaga maging balanse kayo sa inyong psychic ability, especially sa inyong mindset. Yeah, huwag kayo magpadala ng inyong galit kasi the more na magpapadala kayo ng galit, lalong-lalo na kung ikaw ay psychic, baka makakagawa ka pa ng hindi maganda. No? Like, you know what I mean? Like, paninira, using other methods para masira itong taong ito. Guys, kailangan talaga always pray. Manalangin kayo sa inyong spirit team, sa ating Panginoon. Okay? To always guide you, to enlighten you. Yeah. Because you are a light healer, a light worker, not the devil. Kasi kung lagi kayo nagagalit or nadadala kayo mga galit or sa mga obsession ninyo, obsessed sa inyong psychic power, tuloy ang inyong sinusunod is the devil, mag-ingat-ingat. Because yung iba sa inyo dito, iba na ang sinasamba, hindi na ang Panginoon. The devil. Okay? So, final here, maybe. So, yeah, yes, no, maybe. Kompleto, ano? Innocence, freedom, originality, adventure, travel, foolishness, lack of commitment, new beginning. So, this is a new beginning for you. The transformation, pagbabago. Pile number 2, you have change. So, you have to embrace these changes slowly. So, guys, especially as a psychic, no, itong transformation, pagbabago, feel free to seek psychic, medium, or mga advice. Okay? Psychiatry. Yeah. Yeah, something like that. Para mas nabibigyan ng mga sagot ang inyong mga katanungan. Kasi meron dito kasi you are dealing in this transformation and it's hard to handle these changes. Medyo nakukuha ko dito na nahihirapan ka na ma-handle itong sitwasyon ng pagbabago. Itong psychic power na ito. Okay? So, final message from your spirit team. Final message, please, for pile number 2. Final message, pile number 2. Connect with nature. So, guys, it's time to connect with nature. No? Punta kayo sa garden, mountain, or mountain climbing. You have to connect with the nature because, again, you can channel a message from any animals or fairies, mga lamang lupa, or mga gnome, mga duwende. Yeah, you're rejuvenated and inspired by spending time outdoors. So the more na you are spending time outdoors sa mga forests, gardens, okay, you are getting more messages or your psychic powers must nag-evolve. You are getting more like you are healing. Pile number 2. Okay, not avoid this stuck. Okay? Itong kinukulong mo yung sarili mo sa bahay. It's time to go out. Connect with the nature. Pile number 2. Okay? Huwag mo ikulong sarili mo sa bahay. Instead, go out. Go outside, spend time sa garden or outside or planting, something like that. Para mas naging, kasi nakakatulong itong sa mindset mo na mapabago, na mas nagiging at ease or mas nagiging kalmado ang iyong mindset if you spend time more sa nature, outside, outdoor, instead of spending time in the house. Kasi hindi magkakaroon ng solution ang iyong problema if you stick in one place sa bahay or sa apartment or sa building, something like that. Okay? So hanggang dito na lang pile number 2. Sana nakaresonate kayo and sana nag-enjoy kayo sa reading na ito, and feel free to leave your comment below what you think of the pile sa napili ninyo. Mag-comment lang po kayo dito at nakaka-enjoy po or nakakatuwa po na mabasa inyong mga comment sa reading na ito. So I hope to see you guys in my next reading, and maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat dito. I love you guys. Bye!